Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help people cut their legal costs with our online template kits. When you buy real estate with someone else, you can nominate how your interest in the property will be held, either as joint tenants or tenants in common. This will be recorded on the certificate of title. So what is the difference? In both methods of ownership, each party has an interest in the whole of the land as opposed to a designated portion of the land. Joint tenancy is almost exclusively used by couples. If one of the spouse parties passes away, then his or her share will pass automatically to the remaining spouse party. This is called a right of survivorship. This gives each co-owner the ability to bequeath their share of the property to a nominated beneficiary in their will. Tenants in common is a more flexible arrangement because you can specify the ownership shares in which the property is being held. Usually this is defined as being proportionate to each party's contribution to the acquisition of the property. For example, if each party contributed equally to the real estate, then they would register their ownership as tenants in common in equal shares. If one party contributed 25% and the other 75% towards the property, then this arrangement would be reflected on the title. If no percentage ownership is nominated, then the property will be deemed to be owned in equal shares. If you have invested in real estate with family, friends, or business partners, then you should protect that investment with an agreement between tenants in common. The agreement will set out the terms governing the co-ownership of the property, including such things as the ownership proportions, the contributions each party agrees to make towards the maintenance, upkeep, and repair of the property, insurance requirements, including taking out of life insurance over the other co-owners so that the surviving owners can buy out their share on death. What happens if a party defaults under the mortgage or wishes to sell their interest? How can you use the property? How will you settle disputes? And how will sale proceeds be divided if the property is sold? Addressing these issues up front will help ensure the relationship between the co-owners remains a success and will help you avoid misunderstandings and conflict. It's easy to implement a tenants in common agreement when you start with our professionally drafted template. It covers all the key concerns of joint property investing, and because it's a Word document, you can add and edit information to suit your individual circumstances. To learn more about our Tenants in Common Agreement Kit, visit rpemery.com.au by clicking on the links below.